Welcome back to Mady English Practice. I'm Mady, and I am here with my wonderful co-host, Jules.
Hello, everyone. Today we are looking at two very common words that share a theme of talking about big amounts and adding extra things.
Oh, big amounts. What are the two mystery words for today's lesson?
Today we are talking about much and more. Learners mix them up all the time because they both deal with quantities, especially for things we cannot count.
Let's break down the first word, much, much. We use this to talk about a large amount of something that is uncountable, like water, time, or money.
Exactly right. A simple rule of thumb from me, if you are asking about a total amount or saying you do not have a big amount, you use much.
Let's imagine an everyday scenario. You are at a coffee shop on Monday morning and you are very, very sleepy.
You have a huge test in 1 hour and you need a lot of energy right now to stay awake.
You look at the barista and you might ask, how much coffee is in this large cup?
You need to know the amount. But now we need our second word, M-O-R-E, more. This word means an extra amount or a greater amount than before.
Back to our sleepy coffee shop scenario. You drink the whole cup of coffee, but your eyes are still closing.
The first cup didn't work, so you walk back to the counter and say, "Please, I need more coffee."
It is a very sleepy morning, but here's the common mistake learners make. They want to ask for an extra amount, but they use the first word.
Yes, they will say, "I need much coffee," when they already have some and want extra. That is incorrect.
Let's fix that side by side. If you're asking about the total amount, it is how much coffee is in the cup. If you want an extra amount, it is I need more coffee.
I have the best memory trick for this. Look at the word M-O-R-E. It has the letter R. Think of that R as standing for extra. If you want an extra amount, you want more.
Wow, I love that. And MUCH has a U. Think of it as an uncountable starting amount.
Now it is time for your homework. We want you to practice.
Write 2 sentences in the comments below about your own day. Tell us something you don't have much of and something you want more of.
We're all making such great progress with your grammar. Keep up the amazing work.
Remember to keep practicing so you can learn much faster.
We can't wait to see more of your comments. See you next time on Mady English Practice.